And steps involved in summarization. So here these are the steps. First one is pre-processing, where tokenization, stop word removal, and if there are any punctuations or special characters, they should be removed. Lowercase letters, again we need to convert everything into lowercase letters. Lemmatization and stemming are performed. So in content representation, vectorization is done. That means representing each word or sentence numerically using various techniques like bag of words or TF-IDF or word embeddings. And then sentence segmentation is performed, where individual sentences within the text are identified. And third step is summary algorithm. So we can use either of the two methods, like extractive or abstractive approach selection based on requirements and constraints. And extracting important sentences or generating summary sentences based on algorithms output. Then the fourth method is scoring and ranking. So that means assigning scores to sentences based on their importance, relevance, and ranking sentences based on their scores. So once the scores are assigned to every sentence, say there are multiple sentences like this. So once the scores are assigned, then based on the scores, we can select most representative ones for summary. So we'll arrange the sentences based on their ranking. And summary generation, extracting the top ranked sentences is done here, and generate the new sentences that capture essence of the original text. So refine the generated summary for clarity. And finally, evaluation is done. So here, assessing the quality of the summary using metrics like you can use row values, or blue, in order to assess quality of the summary. Applications of text summarization. So where we are using this text summarization in a real life. So if you take this social media monitoring, so these text summarization techniques are valuable or important for summarizing discussions, comments, and posts on social media platforms. So this helps the users to quickly grasp the main topics and sentiments relevant in online conversations. Whereas if you take this chatbots and virtual assistants, so how this text summarization is useful in this. So if you take chatbots equipped with text summarization capabilities, they can provide relevant responses to user queries or messages. So this improves user experience by delivering relevant information concisely. And third one is meeting summarization. So summarizing the meeting transcripts, it aids in capturing key discussions or decisions made during the meetings. So what is the advantage of this? So this helps the participants to review important points efficiently, the points which are discussed in the meeting, and also ensures accountability for follow-up actions. Then e-commerce product summarization. So online retailers, they are using this text summarization in order to create concise summaries of product descriptions and reviews. So this assists or helps the customers in making informed purchasing decisions by presenting key product information. Next one is educational content summarization. So text summarization can be used to create summaries of educational materials or textbooks or lecture notes. Okay, so this summarized versions of educational content, they help the students quickly grasp the key concepts and information, facilitating learning and knowledge retention. And the last one is audio transcription summarization. Audio transcription summarization enables the automatic summarization of spoken audio content. So if you summarize the audio content, then it is easier to extract valuable things or valuable insights and information from audio recordings in various domains. Like if you take podcast summarization. So if you generate summary of podcast episodes, so they provide the listeners, so you can provide listeners with an overview of the main topics and insights covered. Whereas if you take lecture summarization, so if you summarize the recorded lectures or presentations, it helps the students review key concepts and information more efficiently. So this is how we are using text summarization in various applications.